1940 D4. Was there a 4-cylinder? Listen, I said the fuel pump rebuilt recently. Well, in the last 4 or 5 years. It actually sat for 3 years. We decided to get it out today to help move some riprap, and it's moving some riprap. There'll be more videos of it on my channel if you want to see more of this thing. There's a lot of levers and pedals on that sucker. A lot goes into driving it. Like I said, it is a D4. '40s. Sounds like it too. A lot of squeaking and grinding, but it works. It works good. Sounds good for a 4-cylinder diesel too. No music needed to run this machine. The sound of that engine's really stinking good.